Hello, my name is Melanie. This is my mother.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I'm doing great. My name is Zara. Welcome to my channel. I love all things beauty, style, lifestyle, and family. So today we are doing something I really enjoy, unboxing a gift. And true to its name, the name of the subscription box that we are unboxing today is called Get Unboxed. So join me as I take you through my first impressions and what exactly is inside. Also, how you can also subscribe to this and get your stunning jewelry every month. Before we jump straight into it, I would like for you to do one thing for me. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post something. I am sure you're gonna like what you will see here. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. Keep coming back for more. This is a monthly subscription box. You go to www.getunboxed.co.za. When you get there, you get to that page that asks you to log in or register. And obviously, if you haven't been there before, you click on register. You just enter your email address, create password as you normally would with any subscription website. And then you get a confirmation email, and then from there you go to a page that will start a survey with you. I really enjoyed this part because I also got to really think about my preferences. Obviously I know what to look for, but when someone really asks in detail, what do you like, you also get to learn about your style and all of that. So I went through that process, and then I also got another email to confirm my profile, which I did. And then I went on to the page where you actually select the subscription that you're on, and the option was 500 rand. You pick that one, so you know for that month you pay the 500 rand and you get your package. It is not an obligation that you must get items from that subscription every month, so it's up to you if you want to try it out for a month or 2 months in a row, or you want to skip a month in between, get packages when you want to. It's a really stunning, flexible one. Also, what I picked up for myself is that it's going to work as a great tool to gift a friend. Can pick their profile for that 1 month. When I know their taste, I can pick what they would probably like. So if I know they're into pearls like myself, I'll pick the pearls and whatnot and make sure that it arrives before the birthday, of course, and then gift them that. It's a beautiful gift. It's worth something, and it's very thoughtful. One can tell that you did think of them and you know them as your friend. Okay, without further ado, let's jump straight into the unboxing. So this is the package itself. It came in the obvious courier bag, which I unwrapped before. There was bubble wrap, everything like you know it. So I'm just gonna quickly open it. I have opened it before, guys. I just couldn't hold myself. I was so excited. So I have opened it, and the first thing that greeted me is the scarf. I was like, okay, I didn't ask for that, and I'm getting that too because I thought it's only going to be jewelry. But first, the note says, "Hi Zona, we hope you love wearing your accessories as much as we enjoyed choosing them for you. Stay fab, the Get Unboxed team. PS, share hashtag Get Unboxed. We might spot you and send you something gorgeous for free." So when you guys do subscribe to this, don't forget to hashtag Get Unboxed. And then after that, there are these stunning babies. Who else is an affirmations queen? I feel like these guys go through your WhatsApp. If you have connections, tell us, okay? Get Unboxed, tell us. Because I'm big on affirmations. So to welcome a gift that has them in it is a plus for me. So the first affirmation is, I have something no one else has. My individuality. Oh, I love that. The author is unknown. And then the second affirmation is, I have infinite potential and give myself permission to unbox it to the world. I love it. As we unbox, we are unboxing ourselves, our potential to the world. Okay, so I'll start off with the scarf. Yo, guys, I wish you guys understood what this means to me. Oh, guys, there's still the price tag. This one is for 250 rand. I love scarves, shawls and scarves. Like, they give me that vibe, because as we get to know each other with this thing, you will learn that I'm more into like the it's a lady vibe. Like, that's always been my vibe, even in my 20s. Like, I like grown-up stuff. So this scarf gives me that. Like, okay, I want to continue doing this with the scarf one, but I want to wear it nice and properly. Look at that. I love it. Okay, so I will take it off because I still have a lot more to go through. Then the first one that piques my interest, pearls. Obviously it's 4 pearls, but I'm here for all of it. I love pearls, I love the studs, I love neck pieces. I'm all about pearls, and I'm sure I did pick them when I was going through my profile. Oh, I'm not even gonna waste time. So this one piece has this big ball with diamantes, and there's also smaller ones, smaller links of something similar. Yo guys, instantly elevates this top. Okay, and here we go. Yo guys, so in this package, I hope you guys can see the detailing of this. Can you see it? Here's the nice big ball I was talking about. Yeah, now you can see it. So in the same bag, there's also this one. It's an candy type of thing, Amway. Also has a nice dividing item. I don't know if you guys see it properly. I'm on auto lock, so you probably won't. Okay, so this one, it's like a whole cluster of smaller pearls just tied together and made into a nice ball. And there's also the dividing pieces that were also here that have a bit of diamante. I was bawling when I saw the set, because I did admit that I took a peek into this before the actual official unboxing. So this one, it is my style in a big way. It is spot on. But I'll take it off so I can take you through the rest of the items. And then next up is this one. Guys, I love these things. It's so nice and dainty. I remember when they were asking me about the kind of jewelry I like, I did mention that I like small pieces, you know, dainty, cute, nice and light. And they also asked for the size of my wrist. I told them I have tiny ones. How beautiful is this? Like, you know, those things that will say highway too, you know. I like to look cute, but I'm not trying too hard. So what I'll do now, I'm just putting it a bit tighter. I could also put it on this side, but I just want to put it on here. So it's one of those, I'm not trying too hard, because when you try hard, that's when you die hard. Moving on to the next piece. It is another dainty piece. So I'm just going to try and pick these according to how I intend to wear them. So this is a nice chain. Oh, it's so light. I always buy these. Like, I literally always buy these. So they got me. Yo! Ah! Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm just gonna go out now, have some tea, do rich auntie things. Oh, that's that. I love it. There's also a ring in this package with the goldies. This one, I'm so disappointed, guys. Me and my small hands and fingers. Doesn't fit me, and I don't like wearing a ring on my thumb. So I'll give it away to someone whom it can fit. I'm so disappointed because I love it. I would wear it only with the earrings though, not with these 2 pieces. I would wear it, or maybe wear it with the arm candy, not all at once. So yeah, so disappointed that it's going to waste. But honestly, I don't think anyone could have known that, okay, this will fit. In terms of rings, you have to go there. That's why even the formal jewelry stores, you will go there and they will tell you if your ring is a P and a half or whatever. So I totally understand this one. I'm a little bummed, but I understand. And then next up, Diana's iGirl's best friend. But obviously this is not the real thing, but it's the closest thing we can get for now. So we will enjoy it and make it our best friends. Nice and big. These will probably be my everyday earrings. I won't even lie. See how well it goes with my wristwatch. I can see myself do this with a white shirt, like these earrings, the watch that I have on, and boom, elevated. So here they are. Oh, these are classics. So I won't even try to judge or say anything further. They are spot on once more in catching my style. And last but not least, it's these gorgeous babes. So it's like one stud with a cluster or small diamante all around, forming a circle. And I will try them on, see how they look on you. Right here. Who is this? Love it. Screenshot. So that is it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video and found it informative and insightful, and I hope that you will also give Get Unboxed a try and tell me how it goes. I actually do feel like these pieces will complete a lot of my looks, and I look forward to trying all the other items as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to see you in my next video, but for now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. Like